there is a rice field for sale, and it's just along the barangay road, and there's also irrigations here. So we're gonna going up on that side so that we can see the whole area. Yeah, so there's already a barangay roads because it's already this is part of the property on the 20.4 hectares. So there's a lot of coconut trees. And at the same time there is some rice field at the other side of the property that will harvest 500 bags of rice. Diba katong atong gibarugan ganina, ma'am? Apil ta no?
No, mo man sumpay dito.
Okay. Makatan-aw ta nga to dapita.
Ha?
Makatan-aw ta.
Ato ta ato.
Pila ni?
Ato ta ato like pamutan o pro ta ato.
Oh. So apil mauna na niya, apil na is 20.4. Yeah, so these are included from the cement road, provincial road, and then all the way to that area there at the back of those trees there. And I think coconut trees is around possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 na maybe 100 coconut trees. On the electric connection because there's already electric poles next to the property. So again, this is 20.4 hectares. It's titled with coconut trees, with rice field, and it's also you don't need to worry on the source of water because it's already irrigated. And look at that view over there, you know, so it's overlooking. And there's also a creek belong to the property.
Lagbas dito.
Muning lagpas nito.
Totoo.
Yeah, the other side on that is also another barangay road, you know, so it's quite big property. You can do you can do many things to this. You know, you can put some piggery, you can put some poultry, or you can also build some houses here. You know, because it's overlooking and it's just next to the provincial road. You know. Hey Mia. Here's a better view, and asal gitu teh? Ada dia ini.
Mau tunay tayo cross na.
Ay, oh. May balay. Ito man naging may balawan.
Ako itong kahoy din na naisign.
Naisign ang kahoy?
Naisign ang kahoy mo. Aro. May aro ba?
May narito
karaan na kahoy dito. Kanang na ay isa to yung ganyan na kahoy. Like sa ang kahoy na ilang diin na diyan.
Yeah, you can build a house here and then you're facing the 360 views of mountain. And the price on this is 130 pesos per square meter. It's titled updated and tax ano yun? Updated and tax, and it's overlooking. Storya.
Nastorya na ni tanan te. Leiro. Leiro diba sampa kan. Tiga ada mo iro. Mato pa sa ubos te. Ay, may dito sa ubos ka mabalik dili na.
Sulti to.
So that's it, guys. That was a beautiful overlooking view here. There are also water supply here. Dragon fruit.
Yeah, you have a neighbor there that planted already dragon fruit. So it's either you build a house here, and then or a pension house, because it's just along the boundary on this is the provincial road, and then people wanted to watch the mountain, so it's very ideal. And then you can plant dragon fruit on the area that are sloping on this side, so you can do a lot. You can do many things on this property, and it's very, very cheap right now, so that's why it's ideal. It's a good timing to invest while the land is very cheap, and then later on you're gonna subdivide it and sell it to other people, so it's investment. Buy something that later on you will harvest triple or quadruple. Yeah, so again, this is 20.4 hectares. Its title is updated. There's, I think, 100 ni kalubi, ma'am, 100 coconut trees, and 500 rice field. And you don't need to worry on the source of water because it's irrigated. And there's also a creek on the other side of the property, so, and there's already water connection from the municipal government, and there's also electricity already. So you just came here, build your house, build wherever you want to do on this property, and enjoyed the views. Yeah, so again, for more info, contact 0977-320-4650. So we're here in the